we will look at how to create a simple sweep, which can create simple shapes like this. So we click on the plus. We want to create, first of all, the path that we want the profile to follow. So I'm going to use the spline tool. I click and I draw out the path that I want. In this case, it's a curve, but you can obviously use lines and any other tool you want to create the path. With splines, you can manipulate it and turn it using these points. So you can change the spline after you've originally drawn it to your liking. You can also dimension it, so I can create dimensions between certain points. So I can set exact distances I want between key points. And so on. So this is the path I want. I finish the sketch. I now want to add in the profile by clicking on New Sketch. And this time I want to add the profile at 90 degrees to the plane that you drew the original path on. So for example, you drew the path on this work plane, and now I'm going to create my profile on this work plane. I will draw it just at the end of the line, which creates the path. So just to show you what that is. So I've drawn here on this work plane at 90 degrees to this work plane, which has the path. Finish the sketch, then we go to sweep. So for sweep, we select the profile first. You'll see it turns blue and select it. Then click on path and click on the path. And you will see it automatically generates the object following that path. Click OK, and that is simple sweep.